Cancerians, and welcome to your monthly predictions. Today we are going to talk about how the month of March 2021 is going to be for you. I've already made a video about how month of February will be for you, and that video you can find in the February prediction playlist. The Hindi video you can find in February Rashifal, and the video I'm making in advance so that you get some time to figure out what are the things that you need or need not to do, and you can actually take things accordingly ahead. And also you can, if you see those February predictions, you will be able to understand how much is resonating with you, because we are already in the middle of the month. That will help you figure out if the readings are actually resonating with you or not, and whether you should kind of follow them or not. So that is why I will encourage if you can see the videos of February month and decide for yourself. Now the month of March is actually a great month for you to move forward, to take lead of life, to fulfill your wishes, to become the leader, for the teamwork, for receiving and giving the guidance, for receiving and giving what you deserve and what others deserve, and move forward in your life. The only things that I would tell you in this month that you should not do is don't overanalyze things. Don't keep on thinking about things. This is the month of action. You need to take action. You need to move forward. You need to take care of your communication, and you need to be a leader this month. That is very, very important for you. Now, if we start with your health, from health perspective, small little things might keep on occurring. So, cold or some kind of problem with your back, or some kind of problem with your legs, limbs, something or the other will keep occurring where you will need rest. So regular interval of rest will be something that will continue happening in this month. But other than that, I don't see a major problem. For some of you, there could be some problems with reproductive organs or some sexual problems. Those are the only things that I kind of see, because there's a card of lovers. But other than that, I don't see many of the health issues. Yes, another one could be the stomach issue. So take care of your diet and the food that you're taking. If you evaluate well and if you take like the balanced diet, then that should not happen. But other than that, there is nothing major that I see in the health area of yours. If we talk about your money or wealth, the only pentacle card that I have is Six of Pentacles, and that's good enough, because this card says that whatever you deserve, whatever you need will be provided to you. You will have that kind of money that you need or that you deserve. So that is why I would not worry about the money situation in your life. The money will keep flowing and it will keep coming. This could also mean at times a sudden gain of money or sudden gift of money from somewhere. So it could be like that also. So money definitely is flowing in your life, and I will not kind of worry about the money situation for you. If we talk about your relationships, this is the month. This is actually a very good month for your relationships. Why? Because it feels like there is a lover's card first of all. So definitely lover's card is about finding somebody in your life, and a lot of people read this card as a soulmate. And for me, soulmate energy is very different than how kind of it is read like a life partner. So I read a soulmate energy in a very, very different way, and there's already a video on my channel in the soul growth playlist. You can watch that. But soulmate, somebody who connects with your soul, you might identify that person might come into your life, or you might just fall in love with yourself and might just start connecting with yourself a little more. Also this month it feels like somebody is going to give you guidance. So some person who is powerful, who's authoritative, who's very, very clear with his or her thoughts. So the Hierophant and Queen of Swords could be anybody, but who's very, very clear with his or her thoughts can actually guide you this month, and that's the guidance that you deserve and that you need to move forward in your life, to make your wishes kind of fulfilled. And at the same time, this is kind of the guidance that you need to kind of put your ideas into practice. This is the guidance that you need to kind of lead your life well and balance the positive and the negative. There are people in our life which are not so good and which are good, but we cannot kind of throw not so good people away from our life, because they are there for a reason. They are there for our learning. And that is why this person, whoever this person is, or the guide, whoever that guide is going to guide you through it. And the only trouble that I see, and there will be changes that will happen with that. In another 6 months, you will see a lot of changes in your life. The only problem that I see here is that you might not take action on that. So you have that tendency of overanalyzing. You have that tendency of keep on thinking on things, but not taking action. And action is very important this month. So if you don't act upon what is being advised to you, then you will not get benefited from it. But if you act upon what is being advised to you, there's a wish fulfillment. You will move towards much more stable and balanced life. Also in your relationships, I kind of feel that you need to take the lead of life. If there is anything that is negative or that is negatively impacting your relationship, or any situation where any kind of negativity is impacting your relationship, that's going to become much more smoother. So don't overanalyze, don't overthink. That is what I will tell you. Whatever is the negative and positive, balance that. If you balance that, you're going to grow in a good way. Also, in your relationships, if you're waiting for a new relationship that might come in your life, and if you're already into a relationship, you might take it to the next step. So relationship wise, your cards are very, very positive. Wish fulfillment, balance, going to smoother waters that are there on your cards. The only thing that I will tell you, another thing that I will tell you is, this month don't try to over teach somebody. So you have the knowledge, you have everything that you need to lead. Just lead. You cannot have everybody with you. You know, it's always like, if there are 100 people that you're dealing with, you cannot have all 100 following you. There will be maybe 10, 20 who will fall apart, who will say bad things about you. Doesn't matter. And even if you're dealing with 2 or 3 people, and out of those 2 there is one who's positive, one who's negative, and you're worried about fixing the negative one, don't worry. Just follow your heart, do what you need to do, give the guidance that you need to, talk about the things that you need to, and leave the rest to the cosmos or the energies or that person. When you fix yourself, when you fix your life, other people automatically get fixed. Okay. If I talk about childbirth or baby birth, this month is positive month for pregnancy. This is the positive month for baby birth. The only thing is, don't overanalyze again. So don't keep on thinking about, this might not happen, how will this happen, or last time this happened or that happened. The overanalyzing part will not make you kind of move ahead. If you don't overanalyze, rest well and kind of stay positive, follow the guidances that are given to you, love each other, be together, the baby birth is positive and possible. If we talk about your job or work situation, these cards are great. There's wish fulfillment, there is new opportunity coming, there are leaders connecting with you, you getting a chance to lead a team. So overall the cards are very positive. If you are into a business, I kind of see very strong partnership coming ahead. This partnership is not going to be like a 50-50 partnership, or even if this is a 3-way partnership, it is not 3-way is possible, because I kind of see 3-3-3. So 3-way is possible, but I don't see this relationship, this partnership to be equal, partnership of equals, and that is something that you need to take care of. That whoever is working as much is getting the share accordingly. That's something that you need to take care of, because this is not going to be the partnership where everybody is on equal footing. So ensure that it is done like that. If you are the one who's putting in more effort, you get the more of the results. And if you speak up, that will happen. You don't have to keep on thinking that if I speak up, this might not happen, my partner might leave. No, nothing will happen. If you speak up, things will happen accordingly. In the job, if you're looking forward to an opportunity, the opportunity will come. If you're looking forward to growth in another 6 months timeline, I see the growth happening. If you're leading a team, or if you're working with certain people who you think that they are not all there, they are not positive, or there are some people who you don't want to work with, be a team player this month. The more you focus on your energies on positive, the more you focus your energies on leading in the right way, the more growth you will make. The more you focus on overanalyzing and thinking about the problems, the more the problems will be. This month, take care of that. This month, I will also talk about the students, because I miss them, sorry. So, if you are a student, the colleges and the schools have already started, and feels like the face-to-face communication will start again and become better. If you are thinking which subject should I choose, if you are thinking about how do I move forward, what should I do, the cards are saying do what you wish for. Do what is your long-term wish that you want to fulfill. Do what kind of resonates with you. Do what makes you happy. Choose the subjects that you think that you're passionate about. Choose the subjects that you think can actually give you good growth. Don't overanalyze. If you keep overanalyzing, you will be stuck there, and you'll probably end up choosing something that is not meant for you. So don't overthink, don't overanalyze. Rather, if you choose with passion, if you choose what you really want to get done in your life, or how you really want to move ahead in your life, you're going to move towards much more positive changes. Okay, so don't overanalyze. For people who want to pick up further study in the sense the PhD or anything, the cards are very positive. You'll get all that help that you need, and you'll be able to take it forward. For people who are into studying abroad, like they want to go out to study somewhere, there is a possibility of that happening as well. The initial stage might start in a month or so, but the whole thing might take up to 6 months, but that will also happen, so that's also positive. If we talk about your soul growth or soul path, this month it is all about looking at positive. This month it is all about self-love. This month it is all about taking the lead, guiding others, but don't be attached to the results. So you need to guide others. You need to tell or say things that you think is right to tell or say. You need to believe that whatever you have is what you deserve, and you can make even more out of this if you balance these energies and lead. So this is the month where in your soul lesson you need to balance your energies, balance yourself, balance your energies, balance the positive and negative, and lead. If we talk about your chakra of the month, the two chakras I'll give you is root chakra and sacral chakra. The mantra for root chakra is LAM, L-A-M, LAM. The mantra for so sacral chakra is VAM, V-A-M, VAM. Okay. Now you can chant these mantras. There are a lot of other videos on the on YouTube or otherwise that you can kind of figure out about these chakras and kind of read about them. So you can do that also. But if you chant these two mantras, that is going to work out wonderfully well for you. I've already shared a meditation that I do. It's just a 7-minute meditation, all chakras. If you can follow that, that's also going to be great, because this is the month where you are opening up, your energies are settling down, there are changes, shifts that are happening, and you don't have to overanalyze things or be stuck at one place. That is why 2 base chakras, very, very important for you. Please meditate on these. If we talk about your mental exercise of the month, the card is Yin Yang. Yin Yang is already an energy that you need to balance. And this month, if you balance your energies, if you balance yourself, if you lead with balance, don't go negative, don't overanalyze, don't overindulge. If you do that, that's going to lead you to wonderful new beginnings. Your affirmation is, I am open to understanding the cycle I am in, and I am willing to utilize its energy beneficially. All that I need is already a part of me, and I receive abundance every day. That's going to help you big time. Number of the month, number 6. Color of the month, any shade of red, orange, yellow is going to be good for you. Surrender message of the month. It says, surrender the idea you can fix someone. It's time for a relationship to shift. If it doesn't work to try to fix someone, each person must be accountable for his or her own healing. That's what your cards are saying. You're not accountable to change people. You're not accountable to fix people. You're not accountable to do things for other people. Yes, you have the ability. You can guide them. You have the ability. You can be the team player. You can be the team leader. But by understanding that everybody has their good and bad parts, and you have to kind of bring it into a balance and move forward. Okay, don't try to fix everyone. Second card is manifestation. This says, focus your vision beyond yourself and your unicorn will help you. Now, they are not contradictory to each other. Absolutely, you have to focus your vision beyond yourself, because when we are trying to fix somebody, it is only because our vision is completely focused on us. We want that person to change for us or to make us better, and that's why we focus on a particular person. That is why this card is saying, don't focus on one person. You don't have to be focused on your own personal side for one person and fixing somebody. Focus on a bigger picture. Whatever you want to manifest, you can, but it has to be like a bigger picture. Okay? Team player, teamwork. If we talk about animal energy of the month, it is sheep card. It says, act with fortitude and cooperation. Now, I'll read out this card to you. You will understand further what I mean. This card says, your guidance today is to cooperate with others. Realize that together you can accomplish greater things than if you work alone. Your aspirations can more easily be fulfilled if you act from the heart and the right brain. So open your heart today, listen to your inner wisdom, visualize your goal being achieved with love, happiness and joy. Whether it is acting in harmony with your family or friends or working as a team with your colleagues, the outcome will be satisfying for you. Be kind, calm and centered. It is through sacrificing self and personal ambition that everyone can win, and a flame of hope will ignite within you. And that is why I'm saying that this is the month where you lead, where you don't think about, I want these many people to follow me, I want these many people to be with me, or why is this person against me, why is this person positive, why is this person negative. No, lead as a leader, bringing everybody together, and let go of your personal thought process as in personal right and wrong choices, and don't overanalyze. When you don't overanalyze, these things don't happen, and everything will work towards growth. What will happen, and what are the, if we follow the guidance, and what are the angel messages? The first message is decision. It says, release yourself from that which holds you back. A need to detox unnecessary worry based on the lack of self-confidence. If you see, there is one pigeon that's still inside. All others have flown away. But this one is kind of not confident. It is thinking, whether can I fly or not? Absolutely, you can fly. Just believe in yourself and move forward. Take decision and be a team player, because there are so many there. So you have to be part of the team. Second card is the moon. It says, the opportunity to improve your plans. Listen to your intuition for accurate guidance. Face the fears and grow stronger. And you have that ability. If you face your fears, you will be growing stronger, much, much stronger, rather more than what you think. If you like these videos, if you like the guidance that cards give you, please share them with everyone, because everyone cannot ask for guidance or connect, but if these videos can help them, the purpose will be fulfilled. What is the message? Okay, wow. So Queen of Swords, there cannot be a better card for telling you what you need to do. Queen of Swords is here also. It's the energy that says, move forward, have balance, believe in yourself, guide others, but don't have attachments. Don't try to kind of make everyone do what you want to, but with balance. Queen of Swords is very, very strong queen. And she knows how to move forward. She knows how to lead a team. She knows what to do. She knows how to kind of take things forward, guide others, guide yourself, and be a leader of a team. And you need to be a leader at this point in time. The only disadvantage that this Queen of Swords has is at times she becomes overpowering. She wants to control everyone. And that's what you don't have to do. And that's what your cards are suggesting. So if you follow this, if you follow these things, your month is going to be beautiful, and you're going to get good results out of this month. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that is in the description box, or through the comment section. You just have to write, I need my reading. I'll share my number, we'll take it forward from there. If you want to watch or get any other guidance about angel numbers, souls, tarot reading, anything, there are a lot of videos on my channel. There are different playlists. You can watch those. If you like something, share it with others. If you like something, let there be a feedback or share a comment with me, and I will definitely read that and respond to you. If you have any questions, you can send those questions to me. Your comments are always welcome. And I will see you with the next month's prediction. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.